Whether you've got a window box, a roof terrace or a balcony, urban gardens are prone to visitors. Whether that's squirrels and foxes or your cat, this means that your plants are going to have interference from animals. In some cases, this can be really bad for the animal, and if that's your cat or dog, you need to know about it. So check the plant product page on Patch's website to make sure that they're safe for your pets. On the flip side, you don't really want your plants to be messed around with by squirrels or birds or anything really. My balcony looks out into woodland, which is lovely, but it does mean that I have to wage a daily battle with squirrels and pigeons. So here are some of the techniques that I try to use, which are as cheap and uninvasive as possible and can help keep them at bay. While some humans really like spicy things, wild animals don't. Tabasco, chili powder, curry powder, chili flakes, cayenne pepper, anything that's got a hint of spice can be put on the soil of your plants to keep them away. It's really simple. Just take your plant and put a few drops of Tabasco or sprinkle some chili powder onto the soil. It won't damage the plant, but it will get into the snouts of those little critters and deter them. As for pigeons, they really hate shiny things. So, you know, if you've got some CDs kicking around from the 90s, you can hang those up. But what might be more likely is tinfoil. Just rip some off, tear it up, and put it underneath where your pots are, and that will stop them from being tempted to nest in your balcony or your roof garden. Anything that's got pores generally doesn't like walking on uncomfortable surfaces, which means that you can transform the soft, clawable soil of your plants into something more uncomfortable. So you can stick some twigs in the soil at small intervals, or take some gravel or stone chips, anything that's got a bit of a rough surface, and you can just put this on the surface of your plant soil as well. It'll help keep weeds at bay and also stop evaporation. So all in all, not a bad idea. Ultimately though, you've got to remember that your urban garden is in a natural environment, and these little visitors are all just part of life outdoors. It can be annoying, but think of environmentally friendly ways to keep them away can keep everybody happy. In the next lesson, we'll be talking about how to deal with bugs on your outdoor plants.